Hey YouTube friends, thanks for joining me today on the second part of the video for getting the bike ready for winter storage. So this would help with any bike, but right now we happen to be doing this on the Triumph Tiger 660 Sport. So stay tuned and come along with me as I continue getting my bike ready for winter storage. Got some WD-40 for cleaning, paper towel, and some Motul chain lube. Check that chain. I've done videos on this before, so we're just going to do it fast. I always save that same piece of cardboard. Poor thing. This WD-40 is almost gone. It is gone. Kind of handy. Nice little brush. And then I like to clean this gear up a little bit. I'll start with the dirty one maybe. Being careful not to get my brakes anywhere. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And we'll get some paste on there. Put the paste on the inside of the chain loop so that when it dries, it works its way through. Looks like we're coming around to the spot where we started. Keep brushing it a little bit more. Try and get some on the other side. Next thing is we're going to clean up the some parts on the bike. So for cleaning up the bike, I like to use this any kind of spray-on wax. This is Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax, something like that, and works great on the windshield. Just don't get it on your brakes. Not good. And I just do all the painted areas and the mirrors. In the sun, you'd have to be faster. In the garage, in the cool here, it should stay wet long enough to work it all in. And it also cleans the last little bit if you didn't quite get. Just gotta wipe that all in, and then we'll give it a little bit of a polish with a clean dry rag afterwards. This part is just working it in, evening it out. It's kind of what you call a spit bath, you could say, for your motorbike. There. There, get the display panel a little bit. That beautiful front black fender. Again, don't get your rag on your rotors. Great. Dead mosquitoes everywhere. Alright, and maybe with just what's left over right here, I can get these little pieces of plastic back here. Okay, and we'll get another rag and a clean dry rag, and we'll just polish that in. Okay. And just look how nice that looks like that, eh? Okay, next we want to do the front wheels. And for that, hopefully this will show, I've been using this Muc Off protectant. You'll see this looks so good on the wheels as well as on the, definitely don't want this on your, getting out to your brakes. So I spray it onto a towel and wipe it off. Kind of like Armor All. can see how nice it looks now. Here's a product shot. Okay, so let's start with a clean rag. I'm almost out of this stuff. I hope I don't run out before I get to show you using it on the engine. Now we can reach through to the other side a little. There you can see how nice that looks. And next we can spray it on your engine. They call it a protectant. And very carefully around the rear. And I always point it away from the brakes. Get a little bit on the swing arm. On the back fender. Same on this side, stay away from the brake. Put it on the fender, on your mounting stuff. And we'll get some on the engine here. I'll just use whatever's wet on here to wipe that metal off the... And then maybe grab a clean towel. And then I just wipe what I can. And the rest stays. If you get any on the part of the engine that gets hot, it kind of steams off. Not a problem. I have used the pressure washer on my bike very few times. Mainly just doing this exactly how I'm showing you. a little spit bath for the bike. And this just coats everything kind of in a protectant, I guess. Sticker is coming off on my chain guard there. Like I said, it's kind of like when you used to armor all your car, the dashboard, except I think the armor all ended up shouldn't be bad for your car. And wherever you don't get to wipe it off, it just stays. Okay. Do my stand while I'm at it. I wouldn't spray it. I wouldn't be scared to spray it there. It's too close to the rotors. I did get it on my rotors one time though, I think, or I got something on my rotors. And I just rode the brakes a little bit until they burned off. There. It's not supposed to hurt your paint either. You could use it wherever you want on the bike, but I do know when it gets on the exhaust pipes it does smoke. Okay, and last but not least, what we're going to want to do is, in my case, pop the seat. Pop the seat. There we go. And we want to take out the our charger port, feed it out the side here. Felt the key snap back. Yeah, so then now we have that for charging, and that is just bolted onto the battery. Yeah, so if you can see this better, this is bolted on the battery, and that bare side should be the negative side, so if it touches anything, nothing will happen. And just so, I have a Genius charger, and so I got one of these adapters so that I could just use this. And I can use my Genius charger because it has the AGM setting, an AGM even cold setting. There, so all we have left to do is to top the tank up. We don't want to leave any air, gas spaces in there. It'll help the fuel not evaporate as much if it's full. I like to put premium in for winter because you have the most additives. It used to be you had less of the bad stuff, more of the good stuff in premium fuel. So I like to do that even though this bike doesn't require premium fuel. So we're going to top that up. Then I don't bother with any gas stabilizers when I use premium fuel. And we'll tuck it in against the wall there, put the cover on it, and she's ready for winter. Well, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you get your bike ready for storage. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps my channel as we're growing. And we'll see you on the next video. Okay, so here is my Genius charger. Anyway, I'm going to hit the mode button until it goes to 12 volt. And then the next light is cold AGM. And that's the one we want. Just going to do a little bit of charging.